Here's a quick trick to speed up your computer. Right click on your taskbar, hit Task Manager, slip over to Startup Apps, and then on the list you'll see all the enabled and disabled programs. See which ones you don't use and disable them. And this doesn't stop them from working, but it will stop them from coming on with the computer. So it's good to leave some of the Microsoft ones, and audio drivers here and there, but usually big programs that you not using right off hand, like Microsoft Teams, Skype, things like that. Spotify for some reason is on there. I just like to disable them, and you can always change it if you find it to be a problem after you do it. So when it comes on, you just re-enable, and that's all you got to do. And that will speed up the performance of your computer, your boot time, things like that. Usually if you got a lot of programs installed, a lot of them will have little programs booting up with it that you don't need running in the background. This will definitely speed up your system a little bit, help you out, keep it from getting it bogged down. Thanks for watching. See you next time.